Mobile GaN Chargers, Efficiency and Integration. Welcome to this presentation on Mobile GaN Chargers, Efficiency and Integration. Today, we'll explore how gallium nitride, or GaN, is transforming the world of mobile power adapters. You'll see how this next-generation semiconductor material enables chargers that are smaller, faster, and far more energy efficient than traditional silicon-based models. Introduction to GaN technology. Gallium nitride, or GaN, is a cutting-edge semiconductor material originally developed for high-power applications like satellite communications and radar systems. In recent years, it's been adapted for consumer electronics, particularly mobile chargers. Compared to silicon, GaN offers superior physical properties that allow for faster switching, higher efficiency, and better heat management. As a result, GaN chargers can deliver more power in a smaller package while staying cool and safe during operation. Enhanced efficiency, less heat, more power. One of the biggest advantages of GaN technology is enhanced efficiency. First, GaN transistors can switch on and off up to 100 times faster than traditional silicon ones. This means smaller internal components and faster energy transfer. Second, GaN's wider band gap and higher thermal efficiency allow electricity to flow with less resistance, reducing energy loss as heat. The outcome is a charger that operates cooler, wastes less energy, and maintains high performance even at higher power outputs. These properties not only improve energy efficiency but also extend the lifespan of the charger and connected devices. Higher integration, smaller size, more ports. Thanks to its efficiency, GaN also allows for higher integration and compact design. Since it produces less heat, the need for large heat sinks and bulky components is minimized. This makes GaN chargers up to 50% smaller than their silicon equivalents, perfect for portability. Another benefit is higher power density. A pocket-sized charger can now deliver 65W or even 100W, enough to charge phones, tablets, and laptops simultaneously. Many GaN chargers also feature multiple ports, intelligently distributing power through USB-C and USB-A outputs using power delivery protocols. This means one small charger can efficiently handle multiple devices at once. Conclusion: the future of mobile charging. In conclusion, GaN technology represents a revolutionary leap in mobile charging. By replacing silicon with gallium nitride, we gain chargers that are faster, cooler, smaller, and more versatile. As consumer devices continue to demand more power and portability, GaN-based chargers are setting the new standard for the future: efficient, compact, and intelligent. The age of bulky, overheating chargers is ending. The era of GaN is here.